So I believe this is going to be my preferred walking trail. It's so long. Feel like I'm in the rainforest out here. Look at this. I feel like I'm in the rainforest, baby. On a walking trail in Nashville. It's raining. But I just came out here to tell you all that intention is important. And when you want to cut fat, you know, you need to intentionally walk to cut fat. Well, really burn calories, you know, which will cause you to cut fat. But a lot of people try to make excuses. Oh, I walk 15,000 steps at work. But your intention is not to burn fat or cut calories when you're working. Your intention is to work. So, with that being said, like I said, intention is important. Walk intentionally.